So what do you think these professional engineers do to their vocals to make it sound spacious, crispy, and wide? Come to think of it, it's not EQ, it's not compression, it's not gating, it's not de-essing, it's not chorusing, it's not autotune. What's that thing they do exactly to make their vocals sound very good? And I know why you're here, I know why you're watching this video, is because you're struggling with mixing pro vocals. And I will assure you I understand what you're going through. And I can tell you, you have done everything right, but there's still something that is making you feel like you don't really know what you're doing. And everything boils down to the recording. We are looking for a very good sounding vocals. It's the recording. Stop recording bad vocals and expect your mixing stage to solve everything. Your mixing stage is just to enhance. Everything must be done right from the beginning. I'm talking about the mic you're using to record, the mic positioning, the singer. The singer too applies. If you don't have a good singer, I'm sorry, you can't really achieve a very great sounding vocal. So I have a track here. I'll move step by step and show you exactly how these professional guys, how they get their track to sound very nice and get their vocals to fit in the track. Now this is a track recorded with a Rode NTA1, and this is it. Let me play it.
Promising you every day I go there your side.
You can see how
and I'm
the vocal is
promising
sounding.
you every day I go there your side.
Now this vocal was kind of badly recorded. You can hear noise in the background. Let's listen to that.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side. And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
Now let's move on. Now the first thing to do to get a very clean vocal is clean up. Yeah, I said it. It's clean up. So you have to clean up your tracks. You see these little lines you're seeing here, you need to really clean them up manually, not by using gate. So let's come over here, then cut. Then you can delete this guy. Delete. Just keep on cutting till you have just the vocals alone. You don't want any space or any noise in between. So let's do that. Cut. Delete. Let's go over here to. I don't know if you guys can see this well. Let me zoom in a little bit and take out this guy so that you can see the whole thing well. So I'm just working with a section of this song, not the whole song. So let's go over here. Keep on cutting. Make sure you are not cutting the element of where you're singing. So let's just manage this at the moment. Now listen to these vocals. Wow.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
Yes, then it goes off, comes in again.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
So after cutting, I don't have time to really cut out things and show you exactly. You can just cut them out. Then after doing that, the next thing now is your processing. Now you see, when you're looking for a good sounding vocal, this equalizer has to be your friend. When I say your friend, it has to really be your friend. Now let's listen to that vocal. Let me look.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
Now, the first stage to mixing is gain structure. Now, I want to make sure my track is loud enough but not clipping. Let's look
And
at
I'm
it.
promising you every day I go dey your side.
So, so the gain structure is alright. At least I'm eating around 6 dB around here. So let's take back down a little bit by, let's just say, minus 8 dB, because there are sometimes it's going to shout. So I'm looking for the peak volume. I want to set the peak volume. So let's keep on going.
I will go with you.
So after your gain structure, the next thing is filtering. You can see some bunch of low end there.
Wherever you want me to.
All these guys are irrelevant frequencies and they can modulate up your vocals. So what I'll do is use my high pass filter or the low cut to take out to around 200. I want to be so careful because I don't want to spoil the integrity of the voice.
As long as you here with me.
You can see this is where our fundamentals is starting from. So I did an high pass filter at 134 hertz because I don't want to really spoil the integrity. So
I'll be there for you.
let's
I will go with you. Wherever you want.
now let's compare and contrast in and out.
As long as you here with me, I'll be there for you.
Now, since this vocals was recorded in an open room, meaning I can hear the room sound to the vocals, I'll try and use my equalizer to take out some of those room frequencies so that the voice will sound more dry. So let's listen for it.
You.
My bantu.
Oh, so take my hands and we will be alright.
I can see one, I can listen to one here.
So take my hands
And take
and
it
walk
out.
with me, my love.
Just minus 6 dB. Don't do too much.
Yeah.
Let's look for another one.
I will cross the oceans just to get to you. I will go.
You can see the vocal is sounding more dry.
For you.
This is off.
So take my hands
On.
and we will be alright.
So after this now, you have to do compression. And when I compress my vocals
so
is I do fast attack and fast release.
With me, my love. I'll stand by you.
Then the makeup gain will be on auto. I don't really touch that. So you can see we're compressing around -3 to -6 dB.
I'll stand by you.
So after doing this now, you have to de-ess. So those things you know are actually right, but what I'm missing is just good recording. So this will actually work for me if I go through what you're going through.
Hey, so take my.
So what's the work of this De-Esser? The work of the De-Esser is to remove those hissing sounds. Anytime it listens to any S sounds, it takes it out. So if you listen very well, if you look at the screen very well,
and we will be.
Anytime it says the letter S or the letter T or anything that hisses, it will duck it out, to compress that and take it out. So I want my reduction to be very much.
So take my hand.
And my release time should be very, very fast.
My love. I'll stand by you. Ooh.
And one thing about mixing is your ears needs to be, you need to have good listening skills. Now there's something I can hear that you might not be able to hear because maybe you've not really trained your ears to really listen to stuff. I can hear a kind of screeching sound around 5K, and I won't take that out.
I'll stand by you. Ooh, yeah.
So we've done compression, equalization, then de-essing. The next thing to do now is Autotune. Now we can add the Autotune I use is this Autotune artist from Antias. So where is it over here? Okay, pitch shift. So this is it over here. Autotune artist. So compression, EQ, de-essing, then Autotune.
So take
Now
my
the
hand,
key you were singing on
we
was
will be
in G sharp, that's A flat.
alright.
Then you want to set it to major. And let's listen to the
Take
vocals.
my hand, and I'm promising you every day I go there your side. And I'm promising you.
So let's go back to this place.
Every day I go to your side.
Now you will not be able to know how far we've gone with just the equalization, the compression, and the Autotune until you unmute it with the song and see it. So one secret to blending your vocals to the music is reverb. When you have multiple elements or multiple tracks and you want those tracks to sound like, yeah, they are joined together, the best way to join them together is using reverb. When you use reverb on your vocals, you can use reverb to tie things together. Now, if you listen to this track alone, it has this kind of space. So I mixed this track, then I exported it into just a stereo track so that mixing the vocals with it will be very easy. Now you can see the track has this kind of, it's very spacious. Now, in order to make my track, you understand, this is my vocals, blend with this track, I need to use reverb. Now watch what happens when I add an effect bus over a effects track. Then I'm using this Roomworks. You understand? So any reverb can work. It's just about the timing. Now I'm using a delay of 50 milliseconds. I can just come over here and load a church settings or a cathedral. Load. Let's use church. And this is church. Let's make the mix 50%. Now, watch what happens when I send these vocals into that reverb bus.
You every day I go there your side. And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
I'll send it. I'll send it gradually.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side. I will go with you. Promising you every day I go there your side. And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
You can see how it's becoming to blend. It's becoming more sweet just by adding reverb. So let's listen to it individually.
And I'm promising you every day I go to your side.
So just by using compression, EQ, de-essing, and Autotune, and just sending to reverb bus, you can see what we achieved. We've achieved a lot. Listen to it very well.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side. I will go with you wherever you want me to. As long as you're here with me, I'll be there for you. I will go with you.
So after all this, I have a secret plugin I use. And the name of that plugin is fresh hair. I don't know exactly what it does, but it adds this kind of crispy sound on top of my old mix. So I'm inserting it on my vocal track, and yet the way it sounds when I push up this high hair
Wherever you
knob.
want me to, as long, and I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
I can push my MIDI knob too and see how it sounds like.
I go there your side. And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
I need to take this down a little bit.
Promising you every day I go there.
Now there are other things we can do. We can also add a delay, a stereo delay. So let me add 2 effect tracks. This one will be a stereo delay. No, let me do a ping pong delay first. Ping pong delay, stereo, add track. Then set the timing to let's just say 1/4. Let's put it on all over wet. Understand? Then low pass filter, maybe at 200 hertz. And let's see how it sounds. Let's see how vocals with that voice.
I will go with you wherever you want me to, as long as you're here with me. I'll be there for you. I will go with you wherever you want me to.
That's too much.
As long, and I'm promising you every day.
Then we can go and adjust that ping pong delay to match the track.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.
I think I like it like this.
And I'm promising you.
I'll just drop the send to it a little bit. And one more thing I can add to give you this live stimulation is a stereo delay. This is one circuit I use to give you this kind of live stimulation. Now let's come over here. Let's change it to, I'm going to put 20 milliseconds of delay here, and I'll put 75, let's say 65 here. Yes, then increase wet, then feedback, let's just say 1%, because I want to give you just this live slap back, like we're in a room. Come over here to let's I just need only 1%, something like let's just say 2%. So what we do is, what happens when I send these vocals to that voice?
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side. I will go with you wherever you want me to.
So that's how you get the professional sounding vocals. It's actually EQ, compression, de-essing, Autotune, and some secret plugins to get the professional sounding vocals. You're actually doing it right, but where you're getting wrong is your recording. You need to use good mics, make sure they're isolated. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to learn how to mix drums professionally, watch this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.
And I'm promising you every day I go there your side.